Hey guys, Glen Foster here. If this is your very first time checking out my channel, welcome. Thanks for taking time out of your schedule to check this video out today. Today I'm up in the Kentucky area, head over to the Vanhook Waterfalls. That's right, Vanhook Waterfalls. So we'll see how the day goes. It's a beautiful day, blue skies here in Kentucky, and looking forward to having a great time. But if this is your very first time checking out my channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, as well as that little bell icon. That way you can get updates on other videos that I may be posting. So here we go. Enjoy the journey, enjoy the trip, enjoy the view. Well, so far the hike up here at the Vanhook, headed to the Vanhook Falls, has been excellent. Beautiful weather, probably 63 degrees Fahrenheit, and having a great time. Have some great footage along the way that we'll be posting. Sometimes you just have to get out in life and enjoy nature. Nature here in Kentucky. London, Kentucky is where I'm at right now. Having a good little hike on this trail. Nice little waterfall here in London, Kentucky. This is awesome. Beautiful here in nature. It's a great time. You should come check it out sometime. slope. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. But thank God it's been a pretty good weather. Made it. Beautiful here. Should come check it out. Great little hike. Nice trails too, by the way. Well, hey guys, this is the end of the journey for today. So hopefully you enjoyed this little video up here in Kentucky, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure that you smash that like button. Also make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well as the little bell. That way you get all notifications on any upcoming videos I may be posting. So again, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Live, laugh, and love life. Peace.